In today's video, we'll see how to make spicy grilled fish using Kanthari or bird's eye chilies. These chilies are extremely spicy, so you can imagine how spicy your grilled fish would turn out to be. To begin with, I'm gonna heat some oil in a pan. To this, I will add in some garlic cloves and saute for a few seconds. Next goes in our Kanthari chillies. Make sure you wipe off all of the excess water after washing these chilies. We will also add in lots of fresh curry leaves. Now we will saute this for a minute. I suggest that you partially cover this with a lid because the chilies tend to burst in the hot oil. We will let this cool down for a minute or two and then grind into a coarse paste. Add in some ground black pepper, some salt as per your taste, and some lemon juice. Give this a real good mix. In this recipe, I am using the Tilapia fish fillet. You may use any fish of your choice. I'm gonna make long slits along the length of the fillet. Next, let's marinate the fish. So I'm gonna add the prepared paste on top of the fish and spread it all over. We will then rest it for around 15 minutes. Now to grill the fish, I'm gonna pour some oil to a grilling pan and then place the fish fillets one by one. We will set the flame on medium and cook the fish. I'm gonna place a banana leaf on top so that the fish gets its flavor. We will cover with a lid and cook for a minute or two. After 2 minutes, we will flip the fish and cook the other side. The fish fillets will be really soft, so you need to handle them with care. If you want, you can add in some more oil and then cover and cook it. So after 2 minutes, I'm gonna remove this from the grill pan. If you want to make your fish more crispy, you can add in more oil. But since we are just grilling it, I have reduced the quantity of the oil. The Kanthari grilled fish is now ready to be served. You can sprinkle some more black pepper on top and serve this grilled fish along with some sliced onions and lemon. So you just squeeze in the lemon and enjoy the spicy Kanthari grilled fish. This is a real quick grilled fish recipe that you can make at home. So do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe. And watch more interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.